DIY for Maker Monday. Today we're going to make a cute little newt. But there's something special about this little newt. It's on the run. The cute little newt is trying to escape up the wall. I'll show you how to make one just like this. Let's get started. Here's what you need: crayons, markers, or color pencils, 1 straw, a normal pencil, a pair of scissors, some string or yarn, a cracker box or cookie box that's flat and clean, and a hot glue gun with a grown-up to help you, and 2 googly eyes. First, cut off all the flaps from your box. We just want a normal rectangle. We're going to draw the newt right here with a head, body, and tail. Let's start with a big oval for the body. I'm drawing lightly because I'm going to erase part of it. Here comes the head. It's kind of a curvy point at the top, and then 2 bulges at the sides, and then a long tail at the bottom. Erase any lines you don't need anymore. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 2 arms and 2 legs. Each arm or leg will have 3 claws with a little circle at the tip of each one. Let's connect them so they look more like a newt's hand. Do the same thing for all 4. This is an extra little detail that I like to do, but you're the artist, you decide how yours looks. The colors I'm choosing are blue and orange. I'm going to create this little streak down its back with some spots, and then color the whole body orange. But you can make yours any colors you like. Next, I'm going to add a dark outline, very carefully. Then it's time to cut the whole thing out. I'm going to be very careful, especially around these cute little toes. If you want to leave some cardboard surrounding your newt, that's a-okay. If you want to cut out between the toes, be very careful and try not to cut any of them off. If you do, just tape it back on. Okay, now we're ready for some eyes. Get a grown-up to help you with a hot glue gun. We're going to add the eyes right about in the center of the head. I don't need very much glue. You can draw your eyes on if you want to. Now look for your straw. We're going to cut about 1 inch, and we need 2 pieces that are about 1 inch. Cut 1. Make sure there's enough space for 2 straws to be side by side. We're going to glue these 2 straw pieces onto the back of the newt, right about in here where the body and the neck are. About this close together. Get a grown-up to help you with the hot glue. Do a line of hot glue, stick the straw on top of it, and another line of hot glue, nice and close, but not touching each other. Let it set for just a second. And we're ready to put a string or a piece of yarn through both of these straws. I folded my piece of yarn in half. The loop side goes on the top, and we're going to thread both of these pieces through the straws from the top facing down. Pull one end through, pull the other end through. You might need a little bit of help with this part. Pull them evenly, and we're ready to go. Find a hook in your home and place the loop on it. Then the newt is going to be hanging from it this way. The secret is to hold on to the strings at the bottom. When you pull Pull them apart and gently go up and down, up and down. Watch it crawl up the wall. Good job, makers! Maybe you could make a whole bunch of newts and you can have a newt race to see who gets across the finish line first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new art project every week. See you next time!